Alright, so I have this little contraption here. You see that there's a SLA battery right there, and it's connected to this switch from a broken fan that I salvaged. Here's an inverter, and here's a solar panel that has a regulator that outputs 5 volts at varying current, and the current varies due to the varying levels of sunlight. Eventually, if the sunlight is very little, what happens is the voltage drops. But here's the next part of it. It goes to this cable, which goes to that DC to DC step-up converter, which steps up that 5 volts to 14.8, and then it goes to this battery. And if I disconnect this battery, it'll jump up to 14.8. As you can see, it jumps up to 14.8 when I disconnect it. When I reconnect it, it connects the battery, and it goes down to about the battery voltage. And then here's some shelves for power banks as well. And yeah, there's a phone there. Oh, and I forgot to mention, there's some resistors in there too to limit the current between the voltage booster and the battery.